Good day everyone. My name is Vian Smith and my student number is ST10446545, and this is my presentation for the Contract Monthly Claim System, or CMCS. This project forms part of my Prog 6212 practical assignment. In this presentation I will walk you through the system, its features and the automation enhancement developed in the final POE. The CMCS system is designed to automate the monthly claim submission process for lecturers. The purpose of the system is to reduce manual workload, minimize errors, and streamline claim verification. The system includes 4 roles-based views: lecturer, coordinator, manager, and HR. The application is built using ASP.NET Core MVC with Entity Framework Core. This is the dashboard. It provides a quick overview of the current month's total claims submitted. On the left we have a list of recent claims with key information such as hours, amount, and approval status. This gives users a clean and immediate snapshot of their activity. Here we have the claim submission form used by lecturers. A key enhancement for this POE is the automatic calculation of the total amount, which is simply hours multiplied by the hourly rate. The system also validates input in real time and allows lecturers to upload supporting documents such as PDFs or Excel files. This interface is clean and simple, making it user-friendly and efficient. The Documents page displays all uploaded files linked to the respective claims. This helps coordinators and managers to easily access verification documents. Every file is automatically linked to the claim that was submitted for full traceability. The Approvals page shows a full list of all claims in the system along with their statuses. This page is primarily informational and does not allow actions. It provides transparency for the users who want to track their claim progression. Next we have the coordinator view. One of the most important enhancements for the final POE, the system automatically checks the rule for violations. If the hours exceed 160 or the hourly rate exceeds 1000 Rand, if the claim violates a rule, the system highlights it in red. If it passes, it's marked with a green OK badge. Coordinators are able to verify or reject claims directly from the screen. The manager view works similarly, but managers only see claims that have already been verified by a coordinator. Rule checks still apply, and managers have the authority to approve or reject a claim. This creates a clear, structured workflow from lecturer to coordinator to manager. The HR view provides a printable summary of all approved claims. The summary includes the number of claims per lecturer, total hours worked, and a total approved amount. HR can also filter reports by date range and generate print-ready documents for payroll processing. This significantly improves efficiency and administrative tasks. This page allows lecturers to view their own claim history. It displays the date, hours, amount, and current statuses of each claim. This helps lecturers stay informed and track progress over time. This is the profile page. At this stage of the project, the profile page has displays basic lecture information such as the name, email, and department. This page currently acts as a placeholder for future identity integration, which will be implemented in future versions of the system. The CMCS system is built on modern web technologies. It uses ASP.NET Core MVC architecture, which provides a clean separate between the user interface, business logic, and the data layer. For the database, I use Entity Framework Core to manage data access using classes instead of manual SQL queries. The views in the application are created with Razor pages combined with Bootstrap for a clean, responsive user interface. Finally, all automated business rules, such as auto calculations and claim rule validation, are handled in the backend to ensure accuracy and consistency. In the conclusion, the CMCS system successfully automates the lecturer monthly claim process. The automation features significantly streamline the workflow and reduce manual efforts across all roles. The lecturers submitting claims to coordinators verifying them, managers approving them, and HR generating summary reports. The system improves accuracy through built-in validation and rule checking, which helps prevent overclaims or incorrect rates. The role-based pages and clean interface makes the system easy to use for everyone involved. Overall, the project provides a strong foundation and is ready for future enhancements such as full identity integration, expanded reporting, and additional automation features. Thank you. Now, to demonstrate that the project is fully working, there we go. So we can say new claim. We can first do 6 hours, 200 rand. Automatically calculates the total. Say today testing 11. We can do, there we go. Submit. Then we can see the documents. Well, it's a duplicate, but shows the recent claim. Go to approvals. We'll show over here. Coordinator. So the rule check is okay, which means everything is fine. Status is pending, so the coordinator can now either verify or reject. Let's verify. Since over to the manager. Sorry. There we go. So the manager, after the coordinator, it's now sent to the manager, and it says the status is verified. The rule check says it's okay. You can now approve, and it'll show the newly approved claim. We can go here then to the HR. We can filter a date if we want to. Shows all the approved claims. We can then print report and print out the sheet. We can then go to my claims to filter specific claims, so you can do testing lecture 11. There we go. The recent claim now pops up when you want to filter the exact one you're looking for, and then just the profile. Now just to show another demonstration, just want to do so now we can either, for example, let's say we do 200 hours, 2000, then we just do 1,200 rand. Hourly rate, hours worked, automatically calculates the date. Just do testing. There we go. Now proceed by approvals over here. Go to coordinator, and there we go. Hours, it's exceeding the set amount and the rate is too high. So now we can, if the coordinator tries to verify, it will be sent over to the manager and the rule check will still apply, which tells the manager that obviously this is incorrect. You can press reject, that will pop up over here. And yes, that is about it. Alright, and before I conclude, I just want to quickly add a quick comment. With my lecturer's feedback on part 2, basically I was explaining that the project couldn't run. I think the reason for that was because for the handing in my, or submitting everything, or pushing everything through to my GitHub, I basically took this folder and threw it in here, or moved it in there, and that allowed me to push everything through GitHub. And I believe that when they were trying to run the project, this folder was still in here, which I believe was the reason it was failing to run. So on the main Varsity College, the Prog 6212 submission link, I'll be sending these two separately. Then I believe when you run this without having this folder inside it, it will everything will be okay. And thank you.